Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial I will show you how we can compare the strings in Java. So this is my first string and this is the second string, and this is my third string. So let's see how we can compare. There is an equal to operator which is used to see if the two objects are same. So I will show you the use of double equal to operator. So third string contains the hello message. We are creating another string by assigning the value from the third. So if third is equal to 4, equal. So run this example and it should print the equal. So it is printing the equal. Now there is another string which is 1. Now I will show you the dot equals example. So if 1 dot equals let's see 2, print equal. So it is not equal, and if I compare 1 and 2, if I compare 1 and third, then it should print equals. Now we are comparing these two and it is printing equal. So in Java you can use the equals operator to compare the two strings. So it compares this string to the specified object. The result is true if only if the argument is not null, and if the equals function compares this string to the specified object, the result is true if and only if the argument is not null and it is a string object that represents the same sequence of character as this object. So in this video you learned how to compare the string using the dot equals operator. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.